Hello everyone, I'm Cle'll and welcome back to ActivePresenter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the text-to-speech, also known as AI Cloud Voices, in ActivePresenter 10. This feature helps you convert text into natural-sounding AI voices, and it is especially useful for those who want to create lecture narration or video voiceovers without needing a professional setting up. But first, go to the description box below to download ActivePresenter 10 and place an order to own a paid license. This will unlock not only AI but also more advanced e-learning features. Before heading to the main part, we need to get used to the AI services and cloud voices in ActivePresenter 10. ActivePresenter uses AI services to provide features like cloud voices. These services will consume AI credits each time you generate content. Just track your credit usage at any time by opening the AI tab to view your statistics and remaining balance. Okay, now let's get straight to how to convert text to speech using AI Cloud Voices in ActivePresenter 10. First, you can go to the AI tab, choose Cloud Voices, or select the text object you want to convert. Then, navigate to the Audio tab and look for the Cloud Voice option. You will then see a dialog pop up like this. ActivePresenter supports various AI providers like this. You can choose from different accents, genres, and tones to fit your content's needs. Simply click Add to add or Remove to delete the option from the list. In the Preview section, you can click the Speak button to preview how the AI reads your text.
A girl reading a book.
Apply to global settings for future use. And OK to finish customizing your own AI Cloud Voice list. OK, now let's use these voices to convert text to speech. Head to the Properties pane of the chosen audio object. In the Text-to-Speech section, you can choose a voice from the Voice drop-down list. Speak to test if you are satisfied with the voice.
A young girl engrossed in a book.
In the case you want to convert the subtitle to speech quickly, select the closed caption segment on the timeline pane or on the canvas. Right-click it and choose Convert Closed Caption to Audio.
In the image, the girl is reading a book happily.
Some quick notes when you convert text to speech in ActivePresenter. You will need to own a paid license to unlock this AI Cloud Voice feature. An internet connection is required to have the voices generated successfully. Each time you generate audio with Cloud Voices, credits are deducted based on the text length and the provider used. ActivePresenter supports both built-in providers and custom ones, such as Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure. You can add more custom Cloud Voices as you want. And that's it for today's guide. You see, using AI voices can save you a lot of time and effort in production. The full written tutorial and the link to buy ActivePresenter is placed in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorials and tips. Okay, see you again in the next video.